Alright, y'all. Changing the, I know it's been a minute. I got a quick video for you. So I'm changing out the cabin air filter on this 2025, yes, 2025 Chevy Malibu. Just because the car just has a smell. It just has like a, I don't know, it's like when I turn the AC on, it has a smell. So I'm changing out to see if that fixes it. So you want to open the glove box, empty out your, whatever's in it, if there's anything in it. So this is a tab here. You're just gonna push it to the side as well as right here, and that's gonna drop the glove box down. So just like that, drop this all the way down. So right here also you can see, well, let's see right here. So this is a catch. So you want to, can you see how to do that? You want to get it, lift up on this, and you're just gonna slide the this bar, catch bar, just slide it and then pull it out, and then that drops the entire glove box. Right here is where your cabin air filter is. So right here you can see a tab. There's a tab here, and there's a tab on that side. So with one hand, I'm gonna try to start it. I may have to put the phone down, but you can see you just push in. Get the push in on this tab and pull that back. See, just like that. So let me put the phone down real quick. I don't want to break anything, but you just pull those tabs in and you can see it coming down. So just a sec. All right, so what I was able to do was just hold it down. Pay attention to the arrows. As you can see, airflow down, and it looks like there's some leaves up there. So yep, let me hold this down. I'm gonna just pull it from one side, pinch it, grab it, and I'm gonna pull it out. Yeah, so it's not super dirty. Like I said, this is a 2025, but it has a smell. So it just looks like a bunch of lint or something was in there. So once it's out, you want to inspect it, make sure there's nothing in it. So let's open up the new box. I mean, I could clean it and reuse it, but hey, I bought this new one already. I'm using this. I'm not endorsing this brand, but this is the one I bought. It was the cheapest one at AutoZone. So let's get this open. And remember which way those arrows were facing down on the one that came out. So yes, I'm removing AC Delco to put in STP. So, all right, so we got it opened up. Remember, the arrows were facing down, so just like that. Let's put her back in there. Hold that down. And just want to push it in there. Hold down the door. All the way in there. And then close the door till you hear the clicks. And now we're going to reattach our door here. So put it in, slide it down, lock it, and then push it back in place. Put your components back in your glove box and you're good to go.